Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to return something to AliExpress. Open AliExpress on your phone and go to your account at the bottom and go to My Orders section. Now find order that you want to return and tap on it to open its details. And there you should find button Returns and Refunds. So now your page should look like this. First of all, you have to answer a few questions, and the first question is, did you receive your item? Select yes option. And the second question is, do you want to return your item? Select yes option as well. Then here in this line you should provide a reason why do you request your return. So tap this arrow right here and you will see a list of reasons, and you have to pick one reason that best describes your problem. Tap continue, and here in this line you can indicate a refund amount if you want to have your refund. Then tap continue, and you should confirm your return method. So there are two methods. The first one is AliExpress free return service, and second one is self drop off. So decide for yourself which one works out for you best, and tap on one option. Tap continue. And additionally, here you can provide more information about your problem. So write a few sentences where you in details explain what exactly happened and explain a reason of return. And you can upload here some evidence, so it's pictures, videos, maybe screenshots, whatever that you can use as proof. And do not forget, of course, to submit your request. And basically you have to wait a few business days until your request is approved. And make sure that you have your free return label, and in order to do that you need to go to My Orders section. Now I'm in My Orders section, and again open order that you want to return and go to dispute page, and there you should see your free return label. But keep in mind that you have 5 days to do that. This is this deadline, and if you miss it, you will be no longer able to reopen your dispute because your case will be closed. So download that free return label and print it out. Then pack your parcel with the item inside, and you have 15 days after receiving your label to give your parcel to the local post office. And basically after that you have to just wait until your item is delivered to your seller back. And actually, if you still have some questions on how to return something to AliExpress, I have instructions for you. So open whatever item from your home page like this. Now scroll down and go to section free returns within 90 days. Tap here and tap learn more button. Scroll down to the section free returns, tap view more, and here are instructions on how to make a return. And basically you can read about return and refund policy on this page. This may be useful for you. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.